Hello children, this is Leena Ganguly here to increase your vocabulary a little bit more by doing the vocabulary pot of your English fairy. It is a small book which you have got with your English fairy. We go to page number 5 of your book, which tells about words with the same meaning. The question is asking you, give another word that means the same as these words. Choose your answers from the box. You have an help box. You can take the help from there and then fill in the blanks from this help box. We are having 6 words over here. It is talking about chief, fury, figure, region, delight, jealousy. Now, which one means the same as these words which are given over here? Just like envy. Envy is always jealousy. Head can also be replaced by a chief. Shape can always be replaced by a figure. Anger also means fury. Joy is always delight. Area is also the region covered. Hope so you are understanding. We'll go on to the next page of your vocabulary pot, which is talking about fun with opposites. You have to write the opposites of these words. Choose your answers again from the help box in your book. We'll first read the words in the help box. It is big, ripe, straight, different, healthy, and fast. Now see. Slow has always the opposite, fast. Same is different. Raw has the opposite, ripe. Crooked has the opposite, straight. Small has the opposite, big. Sick has the opposite, healthy. Opposites are clear with you, children? Next we jump on to another part of our vocabulary, which is on your page number 7 of your book. It talks about collective nouns. What do you mean by collective nouns? When we talk about names as a whole, we call them collective nouns. Just like a bunch of keys, a herd of elephants. You have such words over here. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. So first let us see what our box is having for us. Just now I told you bunch, then we are having shower, then we are having chain, then we are having quiver. Next we are having flight and clump. Now which one goes with which one? We always are having nowadays a shower of rain, a clump of trees, a bunch of keys, a quiver of arrows, a chain of mountains, a flight of stairs. Now, can you fill this up in your book with the pencil nicely? And it is clear with you? Now we go on to the next part of your book, which is page number 8. This is something which you need to understand. It talks about word association. What does it mean? Just like if we are talking about book, you just in one thought think about paper, writing on it. But does a apple go with a book? No. So it doesn't have any association with it. Similarly, over here our question is asking for the word which does not go with the word given in red in your book. Let us read the question once. Of the three words given on the right, one word does not go with the word in red on the left. Underline that word. Now, first we are going to read the words which are given in red on your book. Feather, disease, airport, travel, occupation, and tent with exercise at the end. Feather, as an example in your book, it is given, is associated with wings of birds and quill. Quill also means feather, but not with hair. So, hair has been underlined. Disease always goes with a doctor, and the doctor and injection and disease are somewhat associated. But where from pencil? Pencil is not associated with the doctor, so we are going to strike it off or underline it. Airport. Airport is always related with passenger and luggage. But ship has no relation with an airport. So we are going to underline it. Next is travel. Travel does not go with an officer. It can go with porter and ticket because we need tickets to travel. Next is occupation. Occupation also means job or work, but traffic has no relationship or association with the word occupation, so we are going to underline it. Tent. Signal has no relationship with the tent. Camp and trip has a relationship with tent. Exercise is always related to health and strength and not with winter. So we are going to underline winter. Hope so you have enjoyed my lessons. Thank you and have a nice day.